Hello, Sudoku friends. Yes. Second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku, again with 25 printed digits. The one-star Sudoku has also 25, I've noticed, and also the second Sudoku with 2 stars, also 25. So all the Sudokus today has 25 printed digits. And you cannot tell is it a 4-star or a 3-star or 2 stars. No, you cannot tell. If you have a lot of pairs, then you need more time to solve. For 4 stars Sudoku, I really need 30 minutes or more. We will see. This Sudoku will be number 2060. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this row, so no 8 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. These two boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers. And 9 and 4, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes and there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle rows on the row below. The only place for the 1 should be here. And then let me see. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the row below the third row, the only two places for the 6 should be here only. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. I see another 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 in this column should be here. Alright, so now I cannot continue with the 6 and need more information, more digits to solve. Alright. How about, yes, in this big square, one of the missing number in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. There are 5. No 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in the third column, a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 9, 5, 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers here. One of the missing number in this big square is a 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about the number? Let me see the 5. three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see there 5. No 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. And look, we have a pair here. 2 and a 5 in this row. 2 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column. The last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here. Here or there. We see there 2. No 2 there. Here 2. No 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. This is a 2. All right. Then how about this empty box in the first column for the number 7? Then 7, 3 and 5. Yes, we have a pair, 3 and a 5 in this column. Yes, 3 and a 5 in the first column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 and the 5 are in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 8. All right. Then, let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7, I believe. Yes, need to wait. These 2 boxes are left in this big square for the number 6. No, 6. We have 9 and 4. 9 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 4. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 8. All right. 8. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And a 9 is missing. Yes, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So on the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place for 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, all right. 9841. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this third row, a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the first row for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Then 4 and 9. Okay. 4 4. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 9, I believe. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. 4, 4, 4. 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 1. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9 in the last column. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. I have marked those 2 dots in those 2 boxes for the 9. Now we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5. All right, 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes. And there, finish in 30 minutes. Alright, is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No, but I'm very, very pleased with the time. Yeah, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudoku movies to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.